I'm Mark Hutchinson. I am CEO at Hutchinson. So we have invested in state-of-the-art technology for many years now. On top of that, we have the best people, and to support that we need the best software and processes to help us do that. We first spoke to SigmaNEST nearly 10 years ago now. Our problem at that time was we had a number of different pieces of software all being meshed together, and SigmaNEST came along with a solution that enabled us to consolidate those systems with the main aim of helping us speed up our nest times, reduce our scrap, and ultimately be more competitive for our customers. So for Hutchinson, innovation is key. The fact that we have the right partners helping us move the business forward is one of the main aspects of our business, and we felt that SigmaNEST were a really good fit for our business in terms of our nesting requirements. The important thing was that SigmaNEST came on site. They really understood what our business was about and what we needed at the end of it with the system. They took that information away and they came back with a very strong proposal, but more importantly, they showed us how it could help and support our business. For us, SigmaNEST has really helped improve the full workflow cycle, right through from quotation to nesting, integration with the equipment, and more importantly, the feedback and the data as well that we get from that nest. SigmaNEST has helped us reduce our quotation times by somewhere around 30%, and the feedback from our customers has been fantastic. So if we can get the quote back quickly, we can get the job started quickly and get it finished quickly. So at Hutchinson, we are always looking for the best solution, which ultimately gives the ultimate flexibility and solution to our customers. And for us, it's key that we partner with the right people, and SigmaNEST for us are one of those partners. We would have no hesitation in recommending SigmaNEST to other businesses.